Hi guys, welcome back to Falcon PEV. This is Han and we'll be going through a tutorial on how to fix your steering damper for the 010X. Parts that will be needed will be your damper itself, mounting hardwares, and of course your screws. Alright, you'll take the U-shaped mount bracket. Alright, then we take this. Alright, take note, this part will be facing the top. Alright, and when it attaches together, you can see that the holes match. Take one of the screws that we provide, screw it in, it's done. Next, take the rectangular bracket and this, it should go like this. Where you can see there's a threaded hole on here and not on here. The threaded hole will be same thing on our left. For this part, alright, the orientation is also the same. Left hand side, right hand side. Left hand side for the screws to go in. Take your screws and mount it on. Tighten it. And you have from 4 parts to 2 parts. A little more on the screws. You'll be receiving 2 M8 cap screws. This will be going on here. The other one will be going on here. You notice an M5 screw, one short, one long. Washers provided. The longer one will be where this part will go. The shorter one will be on the other side. Most of the action will be on the left hand side. You receive 2 M4 screws. This is for this part to go directly to your deck of your scooter. Once this is fitted on and screwed on tightly, the assembly should look like this. And we now move on to the front where we utilize the U bracket. We can go ahead and install the U bracket. The left hand side is as follows. It will come with a longer M5 screw. We go ahead and use an M4 Allen key and tighten it securely. Do the same for the right hand side. It will come with a shorter screw. Once we secure the U bracket, make sure it is flush to the neck, as shown. Now this is to ensure that the U bracket doesn't interfere with your steering. Now we go ahead and take our damper itself, alright, round it towards the deck. This movable bracket towards the front. Make sure the distance here and here is almost the same. Alright, so what we're going to do, I have already adjusted it. So we go ahead and mount it on visually. So by visually mounting it on, we can see that the 2 screw holes are exact this way. So from here we can determine that this bracket have to be locked on on this portion. Take a size 4 Allen key and go ahead and tighten this. We can go ahead and mount. Take your two M8 cap screws, mount it on there, mount it on here, tighten it with a size 6 Allen key. So this concludes the proper installation of the brackets and the damper itself for the 010X. This is Han signing off. Good day.